Hey everybody, I wanted to show you my new S3-PRO cordless vacuum by Maircle. So let's check it out. I first power it on. So it has about 35 minutes of battery time on medium suction. For the strongest suction, it has about 13 minutes of battery time. And for the lowest suction, you get a whopping 70 minutes. The lowest suction is great for hardwood floors or when you're using the attachments and you don't need too much suction power. The medium suction power is also great for hardwood floors and low fiber carpets. The strongest suction mode is great for couches and long fiber carpets in my opinion. Now let's check out the first attachment, which is a tangle-free floor brush. I love this because as you can see, it has a laser on it and it highlights any dust and debris, which ensures you get a better clean, and it's also just super satisfying to watch, right? And also, just to quickly reiterate, that brush is tangle-free, so you don't have to worry about your hair or pet hair getting tangled in the brush. Next up is the electric sofa brush, and I'm using it with that longer tube. I love how versatile this vacuum is. Not only can you use these attachments in your house, you can take it to your car, and the battery running time is long enough that it's gonna last you the entire clean out. As you can see so far, this vacuum comes with a ton of attachments. You don't want to use your floor brush on your couch, and you also don't want to skip vacuuming your couch because so many dirt and debris that may be naked to the eye definitely are landing on the couch. All right, moving on. I am going to be taking off not only the attachment, but I'm also going to be taking off that tube because I wanted to show you this hose attachment, which is absolutely amazing. I'm going to pair it first with the dusting attachment. This attachment is great for dusting your hard surfaces. As you can see here, I am dusting across this coffee pod holder. It was pretty sticky, but this attachment did do a really good job on getting the majority of the debris up. It's great because now you don't have to dust things into your hand or a napkin before you go ahead and wipe it down. It makes it that much easier. Avoid getting it on the ground. It's so amazing. So the next attachment I'm going to show you guys is this 2-in-1 crevice tool. It's perfect for getting in more hard to reach areas, cracks, different things like that. I'm just going to show you guys on the couch. I mean, there's obviously better areas, but this is what we're working with today. You can also slide it up, and I like to use this part on the blinds. It grabs the dust and helps just get it down. You can also use this on areas like keyboards, etc. Lastly, there's a no-touch emptying bin. Love this and the filtration that it has, especially for my allergies. Shout out to my boyfriend for helping here. This vacuum is not only amazing because of all the different attachments and features, it's also very affordable. 10 out of 10, I do recommend. Thanks for watching.